Hi everyone, welcome to the YouTube channel. In this video, we will see how to add cryptocurrency to Metatrader 5. So Metatrader is a platform that offers you to manage your stocks and cryptocurrencies. Through there you can see their graphs, their growth and all over that. So if you're interested how to add the cryptos into it, I'll show you how easily you can do it. And you can also find its link in the description below. So at first you have to make sure that you have installed our MetaTrader 5 app. If not, then you can still get it from Google Play Store or App Store. And once you have it, make sure you already have created your account onto it. So just simply open the app and this will be the home page, or it is also called courts on this app. Here you can see all of your cryptocurrencies and other sort of tokens that you have added. So if you're interested, then what you have to do is that you have to stay onto this page, and at the top you can see this plus icon. You have to click onto it. Then you will see these four folders. They all have different sort of currencies, money and different stocks that you can see. Whatever you want to add, you just have to simply choose that one. Like you have to add that one, and you have to click onto that plus icon which is along with that name, and after that it will be added to your app. And once you get back to your codes section, in between you will find it. One thing you have to make sure that it not only gives you opportunity to add a cryptocurrencies, other than that you can get the exchange rates, stocks, different sort of investments. So you have to just understand what you want to add. You have to figure out all of these different folders, and whenever you find your desired cryptocurrency you can add it, or you can also search it at the top. So here you can see we have all these cryptocurrencies or the stocks. You can check out there like thousands of them. You can just simply search for it, or whatever you find in front of that page, you can just simply click onto that plus icon which is along with that name, and it will be added into your app. Then you can just simply check their exchange rates, their growth, their graphs, or maybe for whatever other reasons you have added them. So that's how it all works. I hope you found this video helpful and informative. If you're new to this channel, then make sure to subscribe it for more informative videos and updates. Leave a like, comment if you have any queries. Feel free to ask in the comment section below. Thank you so much for watching the video.